What we mean today by the words disruption, so that there could be lots of, steam power was a disruption, 300 years ago, right? And there's all kinds of things that happen, usually through some kind of technological innovation. And today we have a combination, a convergence, if you will, of a lot of technologies. Things like artificial intelligence, the IoT, the Internet of Things, digital transformation, cloud computing, just some tremendous innovations in data storage and data capacity and speed of access to data. And so all of these things together have created tremendous opportunities to move direct to the consumer, direct to the customer, and provide a lot of functionality for the consumer to self-serve. And so, real quick examples, right? Uber, in terms of ride sharing and limousine service and taxi service. Netflix, in terms of entertainment and media. Just to name two obvious ones. Amazon itself has created, and how many days do you open up the newspaper and read about, franchises, names that you grew up with, stores that are closing, and numbers of stores across the country because the retail space has been disrupted because of this direct-to-consumer phenomenon through all of these convergence of technologies. And so businesses that are most susceptible to disruption are those that are typically in the middle of a process. And so in many cases, the middleman was, crucial to success of getting a process completed. They managed the inventory, or they managed all the paperwork. And now, because of these disruptive technologies and the convergence of all these technologies coming together, many of the things that the middleman, the middle, market processing could do is now being done either directly by the consumer or is being done as a result of algorithms and key indicators that are analyzed through artificial intelligence and predictive analytics to be able to formulate the response that might have been, needed to require several hundreds of hours of manpower to review, evaluate, and create an answer. So I think across multiple verticals, across multiple industry sectors, disruption really can occur if there's been enough interest in taking the actions directly to the consumer, to the end customer, and creating innovative solutions using the technology today. And finally, the last point is, because of these technologies, a lot of it is very easy to iteratively develop and deploy. And so years ago, it would take months and months and years and thousands of man-years of development work to create an application system. Today, smartphone apps, as an example, can be developed in just literally a few days worth of effort, including development, testing, deployment, and publication to a Google store or Apple store near you. And so I think the whole momentum has created this faster to market approach, direct to consumer, and so we're getting tremendous disruption across all markets today.